Today, giant machines play an important role in the forestry logging process. With the ability to quickly cut and process wood, these machines have helped optimize labor efficiency. Let's follow the operations of these powerful and advanced machines. This machine is the pinnacle of efficiency and innovation in the forestry industry. The Ponesse Ergo 8W harvester has a powerful 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz engine with a capacity of up to 286 horsepower and an impressive lifting capacity of 17 tons. It excels in logging operations. Hi, I need 1,500 subscribers. Will be mentioned in the next video if you do. Thanks a lot. Witness the Tiger Cat L870C excavator in action as it conquers steep terrain above Harrison Lake in British Columbia. The cutting trees on challenging slopes. The Sampo 1046 with the Nisala 426 harvesting head is a dynamic duo in the world of forestry. With Sampo's powerful 140 horsepower engine and Nisala's precise cutting capability, the Tiger Cat 720G harvester in combination with the Tiger Cat 5600 cutting head is a dynamic duo that is revolutionizing forestry operations. A formidable tool for handling giant trees. With a powerful 72.2 cc engine with 6 horsepower, the Stihl MS 462 saw is capable of handling even the largest types. With a powerful 320 horsepower engine, the Tiger Cat LX830D delivers outstanding performance in demanding environments. Hobbs Former G888 chainsaw has a powerful 122cc engine. It delivers an impressive 8.6 horsepower, ensuring outstanding cutting performance with a maximum chain speed of 30. The Tiger Cat 724E logging machine is a game changer in the forestry industry. Boasting a maximum cutting capacity of 30 inches in diameter, it ensures fast and accurate logging. Next is the Turbo Saw M 2023 automatic sawing machine. This is a revolutionary advanced solution in woodworking that ensures excellent efficiency and precision. It boasts a cutting capacity of up to 50,000 feet per day. Introducing the Turbo Sawmill 1x6 board mill, a revolutionary tool that transforms lumber products. With precision milling capabilities, it ensures stable and high quality output Introducing the It is equipped with an SH56B saw head and has 30.5-inch tires, a force in forestry operations. With its sturdy design and efficient cutting capabilities, it ensures smooth cutting and bundling of trees. Introducing the LTEC 277 LogMax, designed for maximum efficiency, delivering precise and fast tree handling and felling. The LogMax 7000 XT is a modern harvesting head that is revolutionizing the forestry industry. With impressive cutting capacity of up to 34 inches in diameter, it ensures quick and accurate cutting of giant trees. With an efficient design and powerful 40 horsepower engine, the Vimec TP540 Goling can move over rough terrain with ease, ensuring effective wood processing, maximizing productivity in wood harvesting work. Makes tree cutting work easy with incredible cutting speed. With sharp chain links combined with advanced machinery, the work of splitting giant trees becomes quick and accurate at Blidworth Woods. An old-growth tree with a Stihl MS 462 chainsaw. It has a powerful 72.2cc engine and 6 horsepower, delivering outstanding cutting performance. The Stihl MS 261 saw is with a 50.2cc engine and a 3 kilowatt power. It delivers outstanding cutting performance with high precision in tree felling jobs. The Ponce Ergo 8W with its C5H8 harvesting head is an advanced combination of forestry technology. Boasting a reach of up to 10 meters and equipped with a C5H8 head, the Ergo 8W ensures precise and efficient tree handling and felling. With a powerful 111cc engine and 8 easily tackles demanding and highly precise forestry jobs. Advanced tree cleaners are designed for efficiency and precision. With a powerful 800 horsepower engine and a working width of up to 3 meters, this giant machine quickly clears large areas of vegetation and trees. The Barco 930 mulcher is a revolutionary high-performance machine for land clearing operations in South Africa. With its sturdy design and powerful 320 horsepower motor, it effectively covers vegetation and tree debris. With a powerful 250 horsepower motor and 360-degree rotating head, the machine chops and knocks down trees quickly. Boasting the ability to cut up to 30 inches in diameter, the John Deere 753J wood cutter ensures quick and precise tree felling. The Tigercat 870C feller buncher is a formidable machine at the forefront of forestry technology. It excels in tree felling and bundling operations. Let's watch a close-up of a giant tree cutting from an advanced machine in a dense forest. The LTEC 277 Harvest Head is a revolutionary and fast accessory in forestry operations. With precise engineering and powerful cutting capabilities, it processes trees efficiently for optimal use. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Bringing you more interesting videos. See you again!